Hi, this is Jason here at RoofSnap,
And Katrina.
and today I'm on a Samsung, didn't mean to turn it sideways, Samsung Galaxy S5 Android phone. And I think Katrina has another frequently asked question for us.
I do. I would really like to know how to select an image to, I guess, from which to draw on this Android phone.
Sure, so I'm going to open up the project that we made in our last FAQ.
Okay.
And as we can see, when I go into the details screen, I've got the name and the office and the address information all populated.
Great.
So I'm going to come and just hit cancel since I'm not making any changes. And I want to start the roof drawing. And that happens by tapping on the orange sketch icon here. And it's going to load in the project, and it's going to zoom in here in our Google view right on the house. It drops a pin right on top of the house.
Great.
We can zoom in and take a look at this image here in the Google's sort of satellite view.
Okay.
But as we can see, this image isn't great. It's very distorted. The rakes should be straight from top-down view, but we're seeing the sidewalls. So your other imagery option would be to purchase a photo map from Nearmap.
Okay.
And the good thing about Nearmap is they fly planes at lower altitudes with nice cameras, and they fly many times. They fly multiple times a year. So let's go ahead and tap on the high-res photo maps button from Nearmap there, and review some of the information here. And also down, we can see the available dates. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 imagery dates from 2014 to present.
Nice. So we can see all of those?
Yes, we can pick from any of those dates for the purchase price of $5.
Great.
So let's go ahead and make the purchase and tap to continue. And now we have access to these Nearmap photo maps. And the very first one that loaded is always going to be the most recent image. And this one's already leaps and bounds better than the Google image that we just saw.
I don't see any sidewall.
Nope,
No.
it's great. So if we switch through, tapping on the button in the upper left-hand corner, picking the different available dates, we want to find the one that's got the least amount of shadows, that's taken from the most top-down view, and all in all, just the one that appears to us to be, the most accurate top-down view.
Sure.
And this is the one that I like the best. And you want to, zoom in as far as makes sense, but you also want to get the house nice and straight. So I'm using these cursor tails at ridges and eaves just to make sure that the house is nice and straight. And then I'll bring it back to the center. Once I am committed to this image and I've got it straight, I'll tap on Snap and Start Drawing in the upper right-hand corner. But I'm not going to tap on Snap and Start Drawing until I'm sure, because once I've done so, this image is locked into the project, and I cannot switch to a different image, nor can I rotate the image past this point.
Okay.
So I'm good. I'm going to go ahead and tap on Snap and Start Drawing. And here it's going to save the map and load it into our next view, saving that image to scale. Well, in this view, as I said before, I can pan and zoom and get really far in on different sections of the roof, but I cannot rotate. So it's locked into this orientation, and this is the image that I will use to sketch the roof, but I'll save that for our next frequently asked question. So thanks so much for joining us today.
Thanks. See you soon.
Bye-bye.